Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer payout schedules from Payoneer to Wise for Business. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To transfer payout schedules from Payoneer to Wise for your business, start by logging into your Payoneer account. Navigate to the Payments section on the main dashboard. Select Receive Payments from the available options. Locate the payout schedule you want to transfer. Click on the payout schedule to view its details. Make a note of important information such as the amount and payment frequency. Next, log into your Wise account using your credentials. Once on the dashboard, click on Balances to check your currency balances. If you need to add a currency, select Add Currency. Choose the currency that matches your Payoneer payout. Now, click on Transfer in the menu. Select Send Money and choose the appropriate currency. Enter the payout amount from your Payoneer schedule. Fill in the recipient information, which is your Wise account details. Review the transfer details to ensure accuracy. Confirm the transfer and wait for the processing notification. Once completed, check your Wise balance to confirm the funds have arrived. Repeat these steps for any additional payouts. This method allows you to seamlessly manage your payouts between Payoneer and Wise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.